There's a strange kind of silence in India's legal world, not in courtrooms but online. Lawyers hesitate to share insights, write posts, or even explain what they do. Why? Because of Rule 36, a regulation meant to stop unethical ads that now stops communication altogether. Originally, Rule 36 was created to preserve dignity. No paid ads, no client pitches, no ambulance chasing. Fair enough? But today, that same rule punishes lawyers for writing educational posts or being discoverable at all. Even compliant platforms like Vakil Vetted, no public lawyer listings, no ratings, no lead selling, face scrutiny, simply for helping clients find trustworthy counsel. Meanwhile, clients suffer. A small business in Raipur can't find a real advocate. An expert in Lucknow stays invisible, and a startup in Chennai overpays, assuming expensive means better. This isn't just a visibility problem, it's an access crisis. Here's what's getting lost. Trust isn't the opposite of visibility, and sharing knowledge isn't the same as selling services. Doctors, consultants, chartered accountants, they're all allowed to guide, educate, and be found. Why not lawyers? At Vakil Vetted, we believe in trust through structure. No marketplaces, no ads, no pressure, just consent-based discovery, fully within Rule 36. We're not breaking the rules, we're playing by them, intelligently. It's time to reinterpret Rule 36 for a digital-first world, because when lawyers are forced into silence, everyone loses.
Imagine this, you've spent days preparing your petition. You upload the file, hit submit, and boom! Rejected by the registry. Why? Because of small mistakes that could have been caught in minutes. Let's walk through the ultimate checklist, so your petition sails through. 1. Is your petition properly signed? Make sure it's signed physically or digitally, and the signature appears on the main petition, including the grounds and prayers. 2. Affidavit notarized or attested. It needs your signature, the date and the place, and must be properly notarized or attested. 3. Don't forget the court fee receipt, upload it, whether it's rupees 25 or the amount applicable to your case. 4. Are your pages numbered in sequence? Every page, from the petition to annexures, should follow a continuous page number order. 5. Annexures, mark them clearly. Label them as P1, P2, and so on. They should be in order and properly paginated. 6. Have you listed all respondents completely? Double-check names, titles, and full addresses, including state authorities or officials. 7. Are your grounds and prayers clearly written? Keep them structured, easy to understand, and don't forget to include interim relief or urgent hearing if needed. 8. If it's urgent, explain why. Attach an urgency application that clearly states the risk, whether it's public interest or potential evidence loss. These 8 checks can be the difference between a smooth filing and a frustrating delay. Don't just file it right.